Hello and assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much for joining in on my YouTube channel again. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. Today I'm going to show you how to apply false lashes. I've received this request from my sister's friend and I'm going to follow this tutorial for you today. So first what you need to do is you need to take the lash out of its box and you need to measure it. So how you measure it, you put it on top of your eye and then you just get a rough idea if it's going to fit on your lash line properly. If not, you can snip it from both ends. This is not a 3D mink lash, this has very thin band, but 3D mink lashes has very thick band usually. So what you need to do is you need to snip the band a little bit as well. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the lash glue. So I've got this lash glue from another lash pair of lashes, but this glue is really nice. You can use any glue that you have, or I really like duo glue for lashes. That one is really nice. So what I'm doing now is I'm just literally applying it on the band straight out of this thing. And some glue starts getting blue when they are sticky, so that is a sign where you can apply it, but I quite like to leave it for a really long time so it's really sticky when you're applying it. That's the best part, that's the best thing that you can do. If you start applying it when it's not very sticky, going to get all over the place, the glue is going to get on your eyelids and it's going to be an absolute mess. So I've done one, I'm going to leave it to dry and I'm going to do the next one now. So usually you can understand which one is right and which one is left just by looking at them, because there are lots of type of lashes. The one I really like, which starts with the short hair in the beginning and then they just wisp out at the end. But if you like the ones which are like same kind of hair on both sides, that's easy. It doesn't matter which one is right or left. In these ones you need to find out which one is right and left. If you don't understand which one is right and left, what you do is you take this pack, put it on your eye like in front of the face like this. This one is right and this one is left. Very easy. So I'm just applying the lash glue. Take your time to do it properly, especially on the outer edge, because that is the trickiest part. Right, I think I've done it quite well now. That's enough for now. So now I'm just going to apply them. One thing that you always need to remember is you need to make sure that you've got no glue on your finger. When you've got glue on your finger, the lashes stick to the tip of your finger and they don't apply properly. I always end up having glue on my finger and that's a disaster. So some people like to apply it with the tweezers. I can never put tweezers close to my eyes or somebody else's eyes. I feel like I'm going to poke them in the eye or myself. So what you need to do is you need to bring your hand from the top, not like this, like that, so you can see what you're doing, and you need to look down like that and you place the middle thing in the middle and hold the side bit. Press it on the side like that and then hold the other end and press it on the inner corner. That's it. Press it with your finger a little bit so that it sticks properly. Well done. Nailed it in the first go. Now I've got the second one. I think I'll zoom in a little bit. There we are. So again, I'm gonna hold it from the middle, literally put it in the middle. Yeah, wow, I did the same mistake like I told you. I've got glue on my thumb, that's why it's sticking to my glue. Lightest glue on your finger, they're just gonna stick to your finger. They're not gonna move. Let's try again. And put it in the middle. That's it. Now hold the side. I can hold it. Press it like this. Hold the other side and press it. That's it. It might look very hard in the beginning. It was really hard for me to do in the beginning as well. But like they said, practice makes you perfect. And you need to practice it to get the hang of it. Once you get the hang of it, they're very simple. So like you can see, they're coming off from my lash line as well, but press them a few times. The glue is very sticky now. That's your best friend when the glue is sticky. Press it, and there you have them. If you have lashes which are longer than your eyes here, they're going to make your eyes droopy, your eyes are going to look sad. If you have lashes which are longer than your lash line, they're going to poke in your eye, and the slightest poke in the eye is going to make your eyes really water. Let's zoom out. And it's not going to be helpful at all. So that's it, we've got our lashes on now. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. If it was, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like, share, and thanks very much for watching. Bye.